give you an opportunity to see what I've experienced regarding solar power generation. There are so many myths and so many things that people say about solar, but from my part, I have learned and seen that some of the things that people say are not correct. They are just simply misconceptions regarding solar power. It is possible for one to power a 4-bedroom mansionette using only 3 panels, 4 batteries, as well as a good inverter and a charge controller. Very possible. My wife and I moved to a countryside several years ago, and when we moved to the countryside, we discovered that we needed to have power that was reliable, and we also needed to have water. We needed power to power appliances in our house, such as a washing machine, to pump water from the well, and to iron our clothes, and to use some handheld tools, some power tools to do some DIY around our property. So we started looking around what were we going to do, because we found ourselves in a situation whereby in the area where we were, there was no power utility company infrastructure at the time. So it was a very difficult kind of situation. We had to think of what to do, because we needed to meet the need for power and put the power generation in our own hands. So we looked around for options, and one of the options that we settled for was to install solar power generator at our property. Many times people have had a lot of misconceptions. Some of them say you can never use elements on solar generators, you can never do that, you can never do this. But I have discovered, after over 5 years of using solar power generators, that it really is different regarding so many concepts that we heard before. I have discovered that there are a lot of things which people know about solar are not correct. So the best person to give you a proper analysis of something is someone who has really experienced it. So today, I'm going to take this opportunity to just show you what kind of system we have installed, so that you can get inspiration and be able to also change your mindset regarding solar. Solar is a very good product, and I think it's an alternative to other sources of energy. I would encourage anybody any day to go solar if they are able. So come along with me, and we're going to have a tour of how our system looks like and what we are using the system for. Thank you so much for joining me. This house is powered by a solar generator. It is completely off-grid. On top of the house, there is a water heater, 3 panels, 1, 2, 3. From the panels, we have the charge controller. This is the one right here. Next, we have 4 by 100 amp hour batteries. Then the last one is the inverter. Here now are the things we can do with this system I've just shown you. We can iron, we can use the washing machine, pump water from the deep well. running a freezer. And the big one, I do welding. You joined me today and you have seen for yourself the kind of system that we are using. If you have been inspired and wish to have an opportunity to put the power generation into your own hands, this is the time for you to decide and make it so. First of all, I want to encourage you to like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to my channel to help me grow my channel. Share the video and also subscribe. In case you'd like to get more details regarding solar generation, you can leave a comment in the comment below and I'll respond to you as quickly as I can. So thanks for watching and have a lovely day.